Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy I will explain you the effect of bills renewal, that is the renewal of the bill in the books of the purchaser. What journal entries are needed to be passed in the books of the purchaser in case of renewal of the bill. Okay, yesterday I explained you the same question and the journal entries which are needed to be passed in the books of the seller. Now, the basic behind passing journal entry in the books of purchaser is reversal of the entries. Whatever entries you have passed in the books of the seller, you have to reverse those entries only. Okay, right? You can reverse them also and understand the journal entries which you can directly pass in the books of the purchaser when directly the entries in the books of purchaser is asked. Okay, now I am reading out the question 19 of NCERT. The seat on Feb 14, 2017. Rashmi sold goods rupees 7,500 to Alka. In the books of Alka, we are going to pass the journal entries. Okay, so Alka will show the purchase of goods in her book. The entry will be, the basic journal entry behind it is purchase account debit to creditor. Here the creditor of Alka is Rashmi. So the journal entry which is needed to be passed on the basis of this transaction is purchases account debit to Rashmi, 7,500 rupees. Right. Alka paid rupees 500 in cash. How much cash was paid by Alka? Rupees 500. And for the balance, accepted a bill of exchange drawn upon her by Rashmi, payable after 2 months. Okay, out of 7,500, 500 rupees was paid in cash. So the creditor will decrease by 500 rupees. So Rashmi, the creditor, will decrease by 500 rupees, and resultantly she will be shown on the indicated on the debit side. Okay, by 500 rupees due to cash payment, and the remaining, the balance 7,500 minus 500, that is 7,000 rupees bills was accepted by Rashmi. So by 7,000 rupees it will decrease due to the acceptance of bill known as bill payable. Bill payable is the another liability which after the acceptance of bill by Alka will replace Rashmi. Okay, right. Rashmi is shown on the credit side. In the very first journal entry, its place will be occupied by two items, that is cash and bill payable. Okay, bill payable is showing the bills acceptance by Rashmi, by Alka, drawn by Rashmi, and cash is showing that rupees 500 out of 7,500 rupees transaction related to goods purchase on credit, rupees 500 is paid in cash. Okay, now next further portion I am going to read out. On April 10, 2017, Alka approached Rashmi to cancel the bill. Okay, April 10, 2017, this bill is to be cancelled. Okay, for acceptance of bill, the entry the basic journal entry which we passes is creditor debit to bill payable. Okay, exclude cash in the second entry. Okay, the journal entry for giving acceptance of bill is creditor debit to bill payable. Now the same journal entry will be reversed in case of its cancellation. The cancellation entry is just reverse entry of acceptance. Okay, so the journal entry which we have to pass for cancellation of this bill is bill payable debit to Rashmi. Okay, 7,000 rupees. Okay, now Further reading out the question. Since she was short of fund, she further requested Rashmi to accept rupees 2000 in cash. 2000 rupees cash is being provided by Alka to Rashmi. Okay, so Rashmi, again the creditor will decrease by the amount 2000 rupees, and the decrease in creditor is shown on the debit side. Whenever creditor decrease to be shown on the debit side, you can see Rashmi is being shown by me on the debit side to cash. Cash is outgoing. Okay, there is decrease in cash, that is asset is decreasing, and hence it will be shown on the credit side. Rashmi debit to cash 2000 rupees. Out of 7000 rupees, 2000 amount is paid. How much balance will be left? 5000 rupees. Okay, right. Now for the reading. Rashmi's and draw a new bill for the balance including interest rupees 500. Okay, balance is 5000 rupees of the bill. Okay, and now Rashmi has to wait for more time, that is 2 months extra time, and for waiting 2 months extra, the interest is being charged by Rashmi, that is 500 rupees. This 500 will also be due. Okay, right? The entry for outstanding amount of interest is interest debit to creditor. Interest debit to creditor, 500 rupees, 500 rupees. Creditor here is Rashmi. On the credit side, in place of creditor, you have to write Rashmi. Interest debit to Rashmi. Now the total amount of bill to be accepted is 5000 plus 500, that is 5500 rupees. Okay, right. The bill was accepted by Alka, and the new bill was duly met by Alka on maturity. Okay, now for acceptance of bill, the same entry has to be passed. Rashmi debit to bill payable, that is creditor debit to bill payable. The same entry we need to pass. Rashmi debit to bill payable, 5500, 5500. At last, just count 2 months. Due date of bill, April 10, May 10, June 10, plus 3 days of grace, you will get the date of maturity. Okay, the entry to be passed is bill payable account debit to cash, because bills payment is being made by Alka to Rashmi. So bill payable, the liability is decreasing and cash is also decreasing. Okay, right? Bill payable liability whenever decreases is to be shown on the debit side, and cash, the asset, whenever decrease is shown on the credit side. Bill payable account debit to cash is the last entry to be passed in the question. So this is the solution of the question. Question number 19th of NCERT. Okay, right? Just fear it up and try to just solve the remaining question. Accommodation of bill. The questions which I have left related to accommodation of bill, they are now out of course, okay, out of syllabus. Need not to just complete those questions, need not to do those questions. Okay, right? These questions are question number 22, 24, 25, 26. 22, 24, 25, 26. These are the questions related to accommodation of bill, and accommodation of bill. Okay, questions are now out of syllabus. You need not to complete these questions. So this is the end of the chapter, basis of exchange. Okay, further I will just send or share the YouTube video link related to the same explanation in the class WhatsApp group. You repeatedly watch the video, and if any query is there, you can ask. Okay, so have a nice day.